Right guys, so the boxes that fit the horizontal standard are the 108, the 116, the 308 and the 407. With the 308 and the 407 you're using the little grey bracket that comes with it, and with the 116 and the 108 you're actually using the internal fixings, so here and here on the 106, and on the, oh there's some Wagos and stuff, I didn't expect that, and on the 116 it's here and here, so you can kind of see that's the matching up. So I will show you how this all goes together now. Right, with the, so we'll start with the 106. So on the horizontal stand you need a Phillips screwdriver. You're going to remove the screws, the 2 screws that are within the spike itself that are already pre-installed. We'll just pop them there just for a second. Now, I've been working hard to make sure that the nuts stay in place on these so they don't just fall out anymore. Right, what you're going to do is you're going to push the screws through the side holes. So with the screwdriver, one there and one there, and then literally you're going to screw that back to the spike. So there you go, and then that's ready to spike in. So obviously it's the same on the 116. I'm going to now show you the 308. So for the 308 and the 407, what you can do is you can take the grey bracket, fix through here, okay, so that's the grey bracket secured, and what we did is we used countersink screws to make sure that they're not sticking up above here. And then all you're going to do is you're going to take your box, your 308 or your 407, and just push that grey bracket in, and that's it, that's secured. So with the horizontal standard, you could use, I'll just fix that on here as well just to show you, just on the 408, there we go, 407 sorry. The 407 on it, so you can use SWAs, you can use NYs, you can use flexes, etc. And finally I'll show you how that actually sits in the ground. So hopefully we can find a softish bit of soil around here. The soil was quite hard. God. I mean, as you can see, the spikes are pretty strong for me to be able to actually bear all my weight onto the box, but that gives you an idea. And it's, I mean, I haven't got it all the way down, but it's not going anywhere.